How to fix problems with direct messaging or DMs on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix problems with direct messaging on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to fix problems with direct messaging on Instagram, all you have to do is, first of all, just open up Instagram, and let's say you're not being able to send a message to a specific person, check if you can send the message to some other people as well, because sometimes it could be that the recipient could have most likely blocked you, and that could be the reason why you're not being able to send them a direct message. The other reason why this happens is if you're having the bugs with Instagram app. So restart the Instagram application and then just long press on the Instagram app icon, tap the I button, then you want to go to storage, make sure to clear the cache files, also possible and then clear the data files as well. Once you've done that, open up your Play Store. In the search box, you want to go ahead and then type in Instagram. Once you type in Instagram, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Last but not the least, open it up, try to sign out of your account, and then try to sign in again, and then just try to send a message to the people. And this way, hopefully you would have solved your problem. It really does take me a lot of effort to make these videos for you guys, so a sub to the channel would be more than appreciated. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.